चलेगा ट्रैक लग गया तो you're seated on the sofa. They are thinking you completely lost it. So there's a conversation that happened, and Dr. Sundar asked him, is she on antidepressants? People on antidepressants can possibly get into hallucinatory zones. I want to convey that. Hence this pill. So it's a question mark. So for people who can understand it, it's one tick on the box. What are these pills? ये पहले वाला
Ready?
ये जम्मू में बोलते हैं ये रो है आई हूँ क्या See the pan.
वो मैंने नोटिस किया कि इन लोगों का जो कोऑर्डिनेशन वो नहीं दिख रहा है। वो लग रहा है
हाँ इसका स्पेस में
वो बिजी है।
वो नीचे है ये ऊपर है
ये पहले
फॉरवर्ड करें प्लेटफॉर्म also when his leg is coming up we don't see his face
सबसे चिलिंग सीन है कि इसमें बच्चा भी नहीं आ रहा है। यार यूजुअली सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग।
देख में कितना हिलता हूँ, इतना हिलता वो हिलना पड़ता मूवमेंट के लिए। स्टडी ब्लॉक मस्त नहीं आता। अब इसलिए उठ गया तो मैं उठा। चलो टाइम करना जिधर जिधर मार्क है ना
अभी मुझे उसको देखना है सेम मेकअप है क्या।
कल नाइट में
हाँ
अलग दिखेगा, डे में थोड़ा अलग दिखेगा।
क्या
नहीं थोड़ा सा एक चेंज काम करते हैं।
You have to be very careful in this scene because Rajiv is going to hug you. Rajiv is going to hug you. And then later we see that makeup is there.
Oh no, what do I have to take care of?
Rajiv has to take care of his costume.
He has to take care of his costume.
Good still good. Depends what
Take
he's
care of
wearing.
nothing except that he should not go into your head because you're not liking the makeup it seems. I want this reaction please. This one, this. ये reaction लो.
Horrible.
ये वो तो
Okay, let's go guys downstairs if you want.
चल and you hug that when the camera comes back we see you in the image that is the shot single shot it's fun na
Yeah, it's 97. 97. No, I want my Vijay, मेरा script देना।
समझ में आया ना अपने को be clear with this
So later I'll
फोटो
Camera guys will be here, sir will be here. We'll all move on.
ये वो मेकअप रिव्यू हो
Right. Will you take your position? Now, from Minnie's reaction, we see something has happened to mom. The first dialogue. Dialogue, is that?
Is this my mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can go to your right also. Can she? Yeah.
Yeah.
बस हो गया तो ब्रेकिंग डाउन
और थोड़ा जा अली और थोड़ा जा
मैम के ऊपर पैच कितना बड़ा है यार। अच्छा वो रखा है।
रहेंगे 50 बार जाएंगे, जगह छोटा है नहीं जाना।
Will you need any more tracing?
We'll need to probably look at the okay. But in the track I don't like to be on the track.
And then go again. If you want, you can go up closer on the wound itself,
Right.
on the same axis. And
Yeah, because when you look at that, maybe you get that.
Okay.
Yeah, the moment you touch the there on the board, she reacted. You hold her tightly. Yeah, he moves away. Look at the.
To withdraw, Rajiv, as soon as she.
Withdraw.
Right.
As soon as your shoulder is covering his face, right shoulder, yeah. Yeah.
अरे उसको अच्छा फेस पे बनाएगा तभी हाँ
And when you hear him talking to your mom, like he's talking to Cookie, then you scream.
The technical problem in this is
Yes.
I don't, because he's still hugging Cookie when we come back to him.
Yeah.
So by that logic, he shouldn't have withdrawn from.
But I think we lost something. We lost Mini completely.
Cut.
Take 3. Clap.
Promise me.
This is happening. And we come back. Now we've seen Cookie in Dad's embrace. Withdraw. Dialogue.
Sorry, didn't mean to have to.
Correct.
Sorry for this, but you're holding her exactly on the wound, the white wound. And I'm seeing that in up close. That looks very insensitive. Straight away. So be aware of that.
कुछ सालों
आप क्या हो? आप कुछ हो क्या?
तुम फोटो खींच रहे थे ना, बताते क्यों नहीं कि वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो?
बेचारी की ख्वाहिश पूरा कर दो।
अब आप ये बताओ खाने में क्या बना है? अब वहाँ से कुछ जवाब दोगे या मैं बस कैमरा को देख के
तुम अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के बारे में बोलो ना।
हाँ?
गर्लफ्रेंड के बारे में बोलो।
काम की वजह से उसके पास टाइम ही नहीं है।
घर जाके सो जाता हूँ। कट कर चुके तुम।
सोशल लाइफ
बाहर चलेगा, going for a date, time 0.
Ready to go? Chalo, stand by. Got that, Rajiv?
Yes, sir.
वाली
Next shot is Veena, huh? Break the embrace. Correct.
Clap.
Action. Trouble when arrive, trouble when dead. Didn't mean to, but have to.
Love you so much, Cookie.
Me too, Dad.
I miss you much.
Going down has to be again. Correct? You went down on his right shoulder, no? A little down.
Right?
Hmm.
Okay, now thank you.
You are ready to scare. Yes, sir. Yes. Is it?
How he said it, I said, I really needed माँ बना दो ना। I said, आपने बोला माँ बना तो मैं आ जाऊँ।
Everybody got full confidence that they the triangle scene is actually the eyes are
I liked it. It's gone beyond What's happening to you, Aparna?
What is this happening to you?
हाँ.
Rajiv?
वो तो beginning of the scene.
If
वही
anything
है.
happens to me, promise me
Oh,
that
that's
you
the
will.
one.
One second. Excuse me.
Go na. Relax.
Rajiv, come.
Come, Rajiv. So we were at the climax where you saw him end and then you moved away. So cut to a shot of you walking ahead. This is happening. Enough. And when you are getting scared because first time you see her, you say, "डरो मत, क्योंकि तुमसे कुछ कहना चाह रही है." We are there.
She's seen her down also.
She has seen it. She's wondering why is Dad looking at and talking to you like this. So you're scared, and the way you walk in, and the camera is there. I want you to do the entire layout. You come till here, come take this position, then you will move here very slowly. You put aid her, and the doll falls. While you're banging it, the doll will fall. Doll will.
She's here with me. And you bang.
And the doll falls.
Wait a minute, I tell her to jao.
वो तो बोला. You one look here, one look to them, and very slowly you'll walk.
Half step more in. Half step. Rajiv, you also. And now we can't give any marks, but we'll have to hit this mark. Gina, you can get a mark if you feel like.
Let's take this shot immediately.
Yeah. Roman.
So, till the time we come to this position, there is no dialogue. It's only easy. Get close shot. Chalo.
Stop banging.
मैं भी मत बोल। हाँ रे कर रहा हूँ। हाँ 30 तारीख तक है रे मेरा। 30 तारीख तक। किसका कर रहा था?
वो डॉल कौन गिराएगा?
Because ready to your right.
मेरा फर्स्ट नेम है ना?
When में
Yeah. Somebody show me this.
But there's a flare on it, on you. When I
Somebody.
face is against this.
Go to your right. Go more to your right. More.
Yes. Perfect.
Mark this. Change the mark.
Keep the hand first.
On action only.
Yeah.
थोड़ा पीछे जा 2 इंच.
देखना दो
आया 2/3. लगा इधर.
2/3 का फ्लैग दे एक.
उधर क्या है? वो क्या है?
Just keep that hand. And then when you walk past them, become emotional. They're completely.
No, I will get emotional over there only.
And
Because I'm going to be torn. She's
Between
calling
her
me
and
first. Of course, it will start.
लाइट थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट में लेके जाओ.
Yeah.
so am I going too
Because
fast?
even in the back shot, I started crying when she was going away.
Right.
उसका धागा दिख रहा
Yeah.
है. Just raise your right hand now.
But
ये तो लाइट पीछे लगी. थोड़ा पीछे ले लाइट. बस.
Come to your last mark. अरे एक 4 फीट लेके आ किलो.
ये फॉरफिट मंगाया था कहाँ रखा? इधर ही है, सामने ही है.
Tungsten. And go back to your first mark. Your first mark is going to change.
विनोद तो
संदीप
कहाँ गया?
हाँ अभी is the
केवल इधर लिखा है संतोष.
इधर ले इधर केवल है.
वो बोलेंगे सबको साइलेंस करो, इन लोगों को नाचने दो.
वहाँ भी ये करेगा साइलेंस प्लीज.
साइलेंट पार्टी होगा मैम. वो साइलेंट पार्टी होगा.
Bhavika, this is your final mark. Dad, you will have to come next to Bhavika. Yeah, and is loading. Take it up, let me see your wound. Yeah, this. Kneel down. Yes, this is the final mark for the hand. नहीं कैसे लगाएंगे? Yeah, और hand is already there. हाँ, keep your hand there.
Being cut by her, come to the side. You're not seeing that this is correct. Bhavika, you'll have to slightly come this side. Yeah. When you walk. Rajiv, be behind Bhavika.
I am fine because of the height.
ड्रोन सीट डालना राइट में।
राइट से फ्लैट डालो ना बड़ा
डालना अंदर ले लो।
भाविका
सॉरी
गो गो
क्या करूं
Seeing everybody.
मैं
your left right after socket is done with the goal marking put your left stand
पेंटिंग कैसे है पेंटिंग
क्या हो रहा है चपता
यस मैम वो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड
ये लिख काटो पीछे से फ्लैग क्यों निकाल दिया
फ्लाइंग किस मिनी का भी होगा
क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो कुछ तो बात करो बस ऐसे कैमरा लेके घूमते फिरते रहते हो कुछ पूछ लिया करो
सर बात कर रहे थे कन्याओं के साथ तो हम सोचे
तो उसमें कोई पाप ठंडा कर रहे थे
अरे वाह वाह
कुछ बात भी करो ना बस कट कर दिया
कैसा लग रहा है
कट कर दिया अच्छा लगा
अभी साइलेंस का आवाज आ गया क्या करूँ
लगी हुई है दिन में इतने सारे शॉट
Malik, 3D ना?
Part your fingers. Yeah, yeah. Okay. You want to check it again, Nina?
वही दिया दे रहा हूँ
Perfect. Don't put it on the glass.
Okay.
आजा, take it off. आजा, setting. उसके right पे जा. बार right उधर. और करना बहुत गंदा लग रहा है.
हाँ साफ कर लो नाक साफ कर लो
कान भी साफ कर लो
कुछ बचा है साफ करने को
घर जाओगे कि नहीं जाओगे घर जाओगे कि इधर ही सब कर लो
कैमरा चला नहीं है भाई ये इस बैग से आपको थोड़ा सामान है वो निकाल दो
ये इधर से हम लोग
आ गई कौन आ गई देन यू सी वहां से somebody listening आउट ऑफ फ्रेम स्टेयरकेस के बाहर से बच्चा आएगा चल के हाँ यहाँ से आ जाओ फ्रेम में आ जाओ इधर आया एंड बच्चे ने उधर देखा कैमरा राइट एंड पलाश आ जा ये आया कैमरा राइट देखा and he got scared because he has sensed what is going to happen. You react, you start walking inside, you think what the hell is happening, you follow and ये चल के इधर तक आए and exit camera right again. Palash, go more to your left. Keep going. That's where it goes. This one? Please mark that. Mark those. Come on. Saket.
पीछे पड़ा है
What happened? Raji, do you remember what happened in the story right now? How can you walk so casually? Rajiv, sir, you both go to the side. Come on the first step. Without your slippers. Always नहीं बच्चे में थोड़ा लेट बैठ होता है. No one thing. Action. Go Rajiv. हो गया? Sorry. Once more. Quickly, immediately. Roll.
Correct, please. Take 7.
Clap. Action. आ गई? कौन आ गई? Hold. My problem is you are taking आ गई कौन आ गई while you are walking. It looking very casual.
तो जब वो बोलेगा
हाँ आ गई then take your position ना. आ गई. Walk. Show me now. Go. Is there. Go. आ गई.
कौन आ गई?
Okay, I had given him a mark, so you forget about that mark now.
Yeah.
Forget about my. Where will you say no?
Rajiv.
आ गई?
You're still walking, Rajiv.
Yeah.
Don't walk, no. The moment he asks, stop and answer.
That's what I'm doing.
No, you're still walking.
He didn't understand what he's saying.
Don't talk to him. I talk to him. Mokashi, आ गई. Action.
आ गई?
Go.
कौन आ गई?
See, when Mokashi comes in, Rajiv, you walk towards him.
Right.
He says, "आ गई." Immediately stop and says, "आ गई? कौन आ गई?" वही नहीं कर रहा ना. चलो, let's go. Mokashi has come. Walk Rajiv towards him.
आ गई? कौन आ गई?
हाँ, थोड़ा आगे जाओगे आप.
I'll ask him when he's here.
हाँ, yeah. What is it? Better. चलिए, let's take this. Start sound.
Last command change होगा sir. 1 second.
Somewhere upstairs.
Yeah, I can avoid the perspective of the tunnel, but that's the perfect access to shoot.
Great. Let's do that. Then just pull this furniture back. Doing the.
Yes, sir.
We want to see just one lens right up from there only. I think 135 लगाओ. ये क्या है? 2:8 पे शूट किया ना हमने last shot.
बाकी फैसिलिटी का वो टेबल पे लगा.
ये नंबर क्या है? नदी? नंबर क्या है? नंबर.
ये कुछ कर रहा है सर.
ऐसा बैठा है.
अभी next thing जो है ये quality of the number है.
अभिषेक बैग में से सब निकाल दिया.
करता हूँ तुम्हारे मोबाइल
एक बार फिर से हो जाए तालियां पलाश के लिए प्लीज. वन बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हिम. शेरमा.
अरे क्यों रो रहे हो? पलाश स्माइल. फ्लाइंग किस दे दो.
Thank you very much. It was lovely work. Okay, thank you guys. Let's get back to work.
चलो.
स्पेलिंग यार ले जाओ ना तो आपका दोस्त.
मैं उसी के लिए गई थी.
क्या होता है?
वो PANNAS स्पेल
रुक जाओ एक मिनट एक काम करो.
उड़ा लेना.
That's only the hand. You play with your hand a lot. Box लगेगा.
They just called apple boxes, right? Are they actually?
They look like apple boxes, no?
But they never contained apples, really.
गेट खोल के ले लो अंदर घुसा हुआ है.
Back in the day.
गेट खोल के ले लो अंदर घुसा है.
So ये Bokashi का is this position good for him?
Yeah.
Likewise? Yeah. And by हाँ.
Ma'am, Sheena, you have to stand on this apple box.
Right, take out the bag immediately. No, you have not. काट करके खोला. Action. Cut it quickly. One more. Quickly, one more. Got it.
What क्या?
Oh wow! Superb, boy. Wonderful. Just look at this.
Okay, 135 lens. 135 lens.
Okay, 135. Reset. ले.
Come here.
135.
वो AC है.
Clear.
Sina. Come, Rajiv. You really want
135.
बहुत अच्छा. Anything you wanted to add?
No, sir.
Superb it is.
If you want.
No. It's there. It's there. Were you enjoying yourself? You want to do more?
No.
No, but it's out of character. I mean, it's not the film. Dialogue है ना?
Take the stand towards you.
Dialogue.
Right hand.
Don't ये क्या कर रहे हो? ये क्या कर रहे हो? इसको बांध लो. इसको मेरी वाइफ को. तुम्हारी वाइफ नहीं है. आपकी बोला था, तुम्हारी बोला था. अभी तक कुछ नहीं बोला था.
ये वाइफ नहीं है.
ये वाइफ नहीं है.
वाइफ नहीं है.
नहीं भाई, ये तुम्हारी वाइफ. हाँ, वाइफ नहीं है. नहीं, फिर ऐसा लग रहा है आपकी दोनों. हाँ, कुछ बेटा. आपकी. आपकी.
I haven't addressed anyone.
No, you say तुम्हारी. Your character would say तुम्हारी.
हाँ, तुम्हारी लो, तुम्हारी.
Because you're in.
नीचे लगाओ.
मेरी
तो रहता है.
Are the questions bothering you? Get rid of them.
Yeah, they are.
Get rid of them.
So
No,
Lalit.
so I mean, it could have, because it was a rough way of getting me here. So, this
One to another.
Yeah.
Just I need a rehearsal for the use of the lines.
See,
He will be here. ये props हटा दे क्या?
हाँ, get rid of the props. हाँ.
Only one request, Ankur and Rajiv. Instead, whatever facing you can get.
एक काम करते हैं.
That side.
You are that side.
No, एक काम. Let's simplify this. यहाँ पे बांधा हुआ है. Let's start with that and come to this.
Okay.
हाँ.
ये निकाल दो props निकाल दो वहाँ से side से.
ये बात है.
Is this fine?
that's it. It's fine.
Ankur.
Can I sit in this position? Is this fine?
No.
No?
What else can you do? No. Stretch out the legs. And slightly come up. I think the pillows are spoiling your position. Pull that white pillow.
Let's lose all pillows.
हाँ. ये भी. Now this is a great visual. वो सफेद pillow निकालना.
पीछे जाने दो उधर.
But I think you should tie her from the side ना. Otherwise, if she pulls, वो निकल जाएगा ना.
Side मतलब भाई.
ये side post जो है. That should also be included.
You're right. We can just take it down.
हाँ.
Just
अभी समझा कर लेना.
loosen.
Just use me.
हाँ.
Side ले लो भाई.
How you are so good with the knots?
Military school है.
Oh, अच्छा.
He's good with everything.
This.
ऐसा
करो.
Sir. The rest you can just wrap.
अच्छा, चल.
Basically, just wrap around it.
And then just, that's it. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, and now just take it.
थोड़ा खींचना पड़ेगा बेड से.
चलो.
Let's do it. हाँ. तो राजेश क्या कहता है?
This pants would have gone.
Okay. So why can't it work from there to here and this?
This is too arranged.
Because then Rajiv is facing towards him and
Yeah.
not seeing.
Okay. Can Rajiv be that side?
Yeah.
But go Rajiv.
Does it work for you? What is he doing there?
Yeah, it doesn't. It looks like he's tied around.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Do that.
हाँ.
Do that.
50 and 75 है ना?
अच्छा, so the means.
ठीक. Height block. Grid था grid. Grid क्या है इसका?
And action! Struggle of the heart, yes! Louder. This time.
मेरी वाइफ को क्यों बोलते हो?
ये तुम्हारी वाइफ नहीं है. वाइफ नहीं है. Correct. Camera is rolling and action! Correct. We didn't see Ankur's face.
Cut. This is for
her. Then we are going to Ankur.
No, we are seeing Ankur, no? Let us see Ankur.
Order.
this is 1,
This is 2. This is 3.
Okay. चलो.
Great.